we turned n8n into a chat interface. Starting in version 2.5 and above, Chat Hub is accessible right from the sidebar in n8n. This new interface is your new hub for all things AI chat. When we press the new chat, it opens up with the last agent you used, but you can click on the label on the top left and switch it to a different agent that you want. The first two options, personal agent and workflow agents, are the coolest parts here, and I will show you their power in a second, but you can also just use a model straight from the provider if that's more your thing. And yes, you still need to connect your AI provider's API keys like OpenAI to use them. I did that and selected the models I want displayed in the settings beforehand. For the two types of agents, you can switch to or even create one from that same menu on the left, or you can click on the side panel, which will show you all of the agents you have access to, which is also split up by personal and workflow agents. I know I can hear you asking, what's the difference between them? So the personal agents are dead simple to make. You just pick a model and add a system prompt, which gives the agents its purpose and personality. And you can add tools if you need them. Right now there's only a few, but we will be opening this up to our entire tool catalog soon. And that's all it takes to create a personal agent. The idea of this is to make something that anybody can set up even without any technical knowledge. But the workflow agents, I think, are much cooler, and they are definitely way more powerful. Let's make one of those as well. They are workflow based, so we're going to start off with a fresh workflow. Workflows need a chat trigger with the available in Chat Hub toggle enabled. Then we need to add an agent node with a model and memory. And all that's left to do is publish the workflow, and then it should be available in the Chat Hub under Workflow Agents. And then every message you send and receive in here is actually working through that workflow that we made. We can actually click on the info button and it will take us right to the execution of that exact message, which is super amazing for debugging. Hopefully you can start to see the potential here. There's pretty much unlimited options of what you can do. You can create anything you want in the workflow, including agent orchestrations, agent councils, fact-checking steps, lockdown human in the loop, guardrail steps, or even linear chat responses that work with just pure deterministic logic without any AI at all. But the team is still hard at work adding features to make this a best-in-class chat experience that you would expect. Some things to come include knowledge management and built-in RAG, chat artifacts for running code and returning special formats, better mobile experience, prompt management tools, and much, much more. This also works great for teams. There are lots of features that companies will love, like model self-hosting, support for model proxies, and most of all, the new chat-only user type. So now, if you make a workflow, you can actually share that workflow agent with the chat-only user, so they have access to the chat, but not actually the workflow. So to the chat-only user, they just see n8n like an interface like ChatGPT. While Chat Hub is completely free and fully featured in the free self-hosted community edition, the chat-only user is only on cloud, business, and enterprise plans. This feature is a really big deal for us, and we're really eager to hear from you about how you use it and what you think. So please let us know in the comments and ask any questions. I'll be down there answering them, so I'll see you down there.